Hello guys. So in this video we will get started with MySQL and we'll understand what is an SQL, where it is used and how do we write SQL queries for performing some operations in database. So SQL stands for structured query language, where basically you're writing queries in order to manipulate some databases. So SQL, it is actually it is standard of an American National Standard Institute, that is ANSI, and it's from 1986, and also it's an organization. Okay, the word SQL, you can say SQL. So what all you can do in an SQL? So using SQL, you can write queries for performing some manipulation in database. You can retrieve some records, you can add some record, you can insert, update, delete, you can create multiple records. Records are nothing but creating multiple database where you're storing data in form of tables. So if I give you an example here, so let me just write select star from customers, and if I run, so you see this is a example for your database where all the data is stored in a table record format. That is, in a table, this one row is one record, so you're storing the data in terms of table, and you can manipulate, you can access data and so on using this SQL. So we'll be using online SQL tool. You can basically download MySQL or you can store it. Now since I already have here online tool where I have all this data stores, so because this data is stored, it is easier to use. So I will be using this online SQL editor. You can go ahead and you can download MySQL, or you can MySQL Workbench, or you can use PHP MyAdmin, or you can use XAMPP or WAMP server for PHP MyAdmin. It's up to your choice. So in this course throughout, we'll be learning all the queries to perform operation on SQL database.